This is truckload number 3. And then truckload number 4 is gonna come do my sidewalk, all of that, and my front porch in front of the building, in front of the front door. So truck number 3 is gonna fill in the front of the building and the porch part of the in front of the garage door, the front and the side entrance here. And then truck number 4 is going to take care of that over there, the front porch, and as I said, this sidewalk leading to the building. The 4th truck is already out there. It's already in front of my house, waiting to take its turn, come over this way. Got crew here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 man crew. And they acting like they've done this before. The foundation to the building. All right. Put that moisture barrier on there underneath. So that was a good thing. Peace out.